Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palaj বিশ্বাস, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and also today is my discuss the CAD system architecture. And already previous classes that discuss the computer aided designs, and today is the discuss the CAD system architectures. And this is my lecture number 4, and the CAD system architecture. The computer architecture is a pattern describing how a group of software and hardware technology standards the related to form a computer systems also will be done during toward the CAD system. CAD system architectures, and in general computer architectures refer to how a computer is designed and what technologies it is compatible with. The computer architecture is linked to the art of shaping to the needs of the technology and developing a logical design and standards based on needs according to this system. Basically, the computer is designed and which type of technology is used during toward the CAD systems architectures, and also the computer is work done properly, and also the very easily you have to works and also the different type of jobs can be done proper way, and this will be consideration by this the CAD systems architecture. And basically the during to this the CAD system architecture we have to a group of softwares and hardware technologies also will be used for this the computer systems also. And suppose your the different type of softwares will be considered the Linux, OS, and also the operating systems, and also the Microsoft Words, and different the CADs also will be consideration is here, and this will be considered that like the different type of technology will be used for this the these systems. And in the CAD, in a CAD, the computer architecture is a set of disciplines that explains the functionality, the organizations, and the introductions of computer systems. That like the this will be the introduction organizations and also the introduction of this the computer systems. That like the now which is the monitor, and the which one is the mouse, and which one is the keyboards, and which one is the CPU, the which one is the motherboard. The all things also will be required for this the introduction of this the computer system. The which one will be or the which way, and this is the all things also will be introduced during toward the CAD computer architecture systems also will be here. And the organization then and the introduction of a computer system, that is, it describes the capabilities of a computer and its programming method in a summary way, and how the internal organizations of the system is designed and executed to meet the specific facilities also will be considered according to what the CAD facilities also here. And another things, the computer architecture engage the different aspects, just like the computer architecture engaged in the different aspects, including the instruction set architecture, and also the design will be here. And sometimes we will record the different type of logic designs also. The logic, that means the which type of gate is used, that like the NOR gate, NAND gate, and the different type of logics will be given. How you have to operate your computers, that like the C programs will be done during toward the computer inside of this the on software is used, and the which type of logic loop and that is used, and also the required for this the implementation. And these things, the aspect of the including instructions set the architecture design, logic design, and the implementation is the necessary. The implementations includes the integrated circuit designs also will be required for this the integrated circuits, like the motherboard, as your is the inside of this the motherboard, the so many things also will be here, that like your the RAM, ROM, and which things also will be considered, and also the RAM, ROM, and then your the keyboards, that like your the different type of laptops will be the integrated forms also will be considered. The one circuits will be considered. These circuits will be required for this the design, and the OS will be downloaded, and also the mode and the hard disks. The all things will be consideration inside of this systems, and this is consideration the integrated circuit will be required, and also the given to this the power system, and cooling also will be here. Sometimes you can see required for this the the cooling pad also during the different type of laptops, and also the optimizations and the design needs the exercise compilers also will be required. The different type of compilers this will be required for this the optimizations and also the operating systems that like the OS and the packaging. The packaging also will be done during toward the computer architecture. The which type of packagings will be used during to your the systems, and the instruction set of architecture. The instruction set in architecture, that like the an instruction set architecture is the interface between the software and hardware, and this will be the instructions will be given to this the software and hardwares. Basically, the suppose few times we can say this is the hardware difficult will be comes during to this the computer. That like the hardware will come, that like your the hard disk and also the motherboard. This is the coming from this the hardware, and also the keyboard, your mouse. This is the consideration according to the hard disk, and also the CPU, and this will be comes during to the hardware, and also the software. This like your the OS system is considered equal according to the software, and sometimes your the CAD is the applied during to this computer. This is the consideration according to the software. The CAD application, this is the Linux OS, then also the inventor, and different type of operating systems will be considered according to this the software, and this will be difference between the software and hardware, and also can be observed as the programmer's view of the machines also will be considered during to this, and the computer do not understand the high level language. Do not understand the high level language. The if any language element that translate directly into the machine native of codes also will be given. Basically, this is the consideration not will be the high level language, and this will be given to this the high level elements, and also required for this the translate elements. This is the directly into the machine mapping of codes also will be given during toward the transfer of the high level language, and also this will be work properly during toward the systems, and this will be considered instruction set of this the architecture works properly. And the basic architecture of a CAD system, you can see that this will be the basic architecture of a CAD system will be given a figure, and this will be comes during toward the database CAD model, and this will be a cylindrical models will be given during to the database CAD models will be given. Just like your the different type of data, data will be collected during toward the this models, and also the architecture, and this data will be comes from this the different set of applications, and also the different type of architecture will be come during toward the CAD models will be given, and also the required for this the application software like the comes from this the different database, and this will be applied from this different type of softwares will be applied, and during to the application of the software, then you have to use for this the different data, and this will be few times will be putting this data manually, and sometimes this will be data is the generated by applying for the few data, and also this will be generated to this the another data also, and during to this the data model data base, and also this will be required the applications of different type of softwares, and another things will be consideration for this the operating system. That without operating systems your system not will be run properly. For this the is an FD computers will be required for this the operating system. Either your computer not will be run properly, then the operating systems will be much more essential, and this will be required for this the updates the day by day, and also according to your the requirements this will be updated properly, and this operating systems will be goes to properly. And another things, the graphics utility, and you can see the graphics utility, your graphics is the not work properly, and sometimes your the dedicated graphics versions also will be essential during to this the system is work properly. For this the graphics utility is the much more essential. Either your graphics is the not properly done, then you cannot be seen your picture the proper way, and suppose you have to design the on 2D model, but this will be converted the few the not will be the visual will be there. Now this is the few times you can see this is the nearly invisible consideration, that is the not is the dedicated graphics will be given. For this will be required for this the graphics utility is the proper way, and for this will be and the device drivers also will be another components also the basic architecture of this CAD systems. The few drives will be required. The device drivers also will be required. Suppose the D drives, the E drives, C drives, and the different type of drives. And suppose the C drives will be used for the different type of software installations, and also the OS installation during toward the C drives. And these drives will be the all type of the softwares and the operating systems will be installation properly. And also this is the these drives will be done by this and properly. And also sometimes you can see when the formatting your computers, then the all data will be vanished from this the C drive. That like these drives will be considered for this the open drives, and this is the all elements is the goes to this the C drives also. And when you have to formats will be done during to your the change or this the modification of your computer. Sometimes your the OS will be changed, then also will be consideration your the modifications as like as your the you record for this the formatting, then your the C drive data also will be removed from and another things the another drives not will be removed when you have to record for this the formatting procedures will be done during to these systems. And another things will be considered that according to this the input output device. And the input output device will be considered, you have to given some data that like your the input device, and also you have to obtain from this the device value. This is the consideration according to this the output device. And that like your works will be done properly, that like your the input output device. And this is the all things will be go to the arrow, the arrow in or out, this will be here. And that like your the continuous procedures will be done. And another things the user interface, that this user interface also will be goes to this the application software, the graphics utility, the graphics driver, device drivers, and also the input output device will be considered according to the user interface. And this will be goes to this the systems, and also the database will be database CAD modeling also will be here. And you can see that during to this the basic architecture of this the CAD systems is gives the major classes, like the mainframe is the essential during toward the basic architecture of this the CAD system. Your mainframe is the not here, then you have to consider not will be architecture is the full completeness. Basically architecture is consideration, this is the one structure will be given on this the CAD system. This is the mainframe, and the mainframe also will be considers the another thing the mini computers will be considered according to the basic architecture of this the CAD system. This will be given to this the just like a figure or the mini computers will be given. And another thing is the workstation, that like your the CAD will be done this job the different type of workstations, and also the different type of job will be done properly, just like your the building construction, building designers, this will be works will in the station. And then you have to consider your the CAD is used properly, and also your the CAD architecture also will be maintained properly. And this is the consideration will be the orchestration. And another things the mini computers or the microcomputer is used. Sometimes it will be considered during toward the microcomputer is used, and during toward the application of your the CAD. And then this will be consideration according to your the basic architecture of this the CAD systems will be considered. And another things is here that like your the based is given to this. And during to this based, and this basic architecture of the CAD systems will be done. And the applications area, you have to consider according toward the application area, that like the which area your the basic architecture of the CAD will be used. And or the simple CAD is used to your the basic applications area, that like the fastest things like the mechanical. And your the mechanical area you have to use during to the different type of machine component is designed and by a design engineers, and also the different type of solid components of designed by the in your the mechanical engineers. And for this will be considered for the mechanical area of this use of the basic architecture of the CAD systems. And another things the architectural and the architectural jobs will be done properly by your the application of the CAD. But is the not will be manually done by this the architectural modeling, and also the architectural designing also will be done by your the design architectural engineers, and this will be used by your the architecture of this the CAD systems will be here. And another thing is the circuit design, and a few cases we can see some electrical and the electronics engineer used to this the CAD application, or like the CAD is used during to design for this the different type of circuit, and this circuit designs will be very easily and the design by using to this the CAD. And another things will be here the chip design, and the different type of chip will be designed, that like your the electronic chips will be designed by your the different engineers. The electronics engineers as like as the hardware engineers also will be design your the chip proper way, or this will be used to this the CAD, and also this is the CAD systems also is consideration by the chip design, that like your the computer engineers here. And another things, the few cost will be consideration according to your the CAD system, that like your the cost, the high end cost also will be considered, another will be considered according to this the low end cost, and after this total systems will be considered according to this the basic architecture of CAD system of a CAD systems. This will be required for the design of a required, and the few CAD softwares is required. The after completion of this the CAD softwares, CAD architecture, this will be systems will be consideration, that like the OS system and the software and hardwares, that like your the software, the few CAD software is the use during to this the CADs is the applicables, and the CAD software enables engineers and architects to design, the inspect and manage engineering projects, that like the within an integrated graphical user interface, that like the GUI on a personal computer system will be used, that like the you have to compute and you have to complete your the different type of project works, that like the different type of engineering project managements, and inspect the different type of management, manage the engineering project, and like the manage of the engineering instruction or the drawing, that this will be done with the this is within the integrated the graphical user interface, that like the GUI. And also sometimes you can say this is the use the personal computer systems also, the most application that like your the supports solid modelings, the you have to record during toward the solid modelings with the boundary representations also will be given during toward the CAD softwares also is used, that like the given to this the boundary representations. And another things will be here the BREF REP will be given, that like your the boundary representations is here. And NURBS geometry also will be consideration according to the CAD software, and enables the same to be published in a variety of formats also will be given, that like the this is the enables the same to be the published in a variety of formats will be given during toward the NURBS geometry. A geometrical modeling kernel is a software components that provides the solid modeling and the surface modeling, the solid modeling as well as the surface modeling features to CAD applications is given, and basically this will be the provide the solid modeling, and sometimes we have to consider according to the surface modeling features will be given to here to CAD applications. The another things you have to consider, the based on market statistics, the during toward the market statistics, the commercial the softwares will be used, that like the from the Autodesk, and this will be comes during toward the Autodesk Inventor, and the Dassault systems will be used during toward the Autodesk Dassault systems. The Siemens PLM software, that like the your the product life management softwares also will be considered according to your the PLM softwares. And the PTC dominates the CAD industry also will be considered according to this, the PTC dominates the CAD industry. And another things you can see here, the following the is a list of a major CAD applications grouped by uses statistics and the commercial act. Commercials will be used during toward the system. This is the considered according to the Act CAD. Act CAD is a one type of commercials. CAD systems will be here. This is the acting on this the called the Act CAD. And another thing is the AutoCAD and also the Autodesk. The AutoCAD is the this will be the presently used as a Autodesk, and the Autodesk is an American multinational software, and this is the American multinational software, and this is the present day. This will be very easily used during period the Autodesk, and this Autodesk is the multinational softwares, and these softwares that makes a software services for the architecture and also the engineering, and this will be used for this the architecture as like as used to this the engineering, as like as used to this the constructions, as like used to this the manufacturing media, and another things this will be the media, education and entertainment industry also will be used during toward the Autodesk, and this will be very easily used that like what the engineering the different type of components, the machine component is designed by use the Autodesk or the like the AutoCAD architecture, and another things the engineering constructions and the manufacturing media and entertainment industries also will be consideration. And another thing the Autodesk Inventor. Inventor is a computer aided design applications for the 3D mechanical designs, and that this will be considered according to the 2D as well as to this the 3D mechanical applications will be the mechanical designs can be done by the Autodesk Inventor, and the few cases we can see that like the design engineers will be simulations the simulations more than the components, that like the different type of simulations and also the optimizations procedure, and a few cases we can see the visualizations, and a few cases we have to consider the documentation developments will be done by using to this the Autodesk Inventor. And another thing is the AXSTREAM. Stream is a software suite that designed by the soft in way is for the conceptual design for a turbines and the compressor and also thermodynamic conceptual, and also few cases we have to consideration according to this the different type of rotodynamic systems, and also the different type of automotive industry also will be used according to this type of software, the AXST REM EAM. This type of software is used during to the turbine design as like as the automobile industry, and the automotive industry you can use during to this the different type of turbine tunnel, and also the cylindrical parts also will be designed during to this type of software. And you can see the BricsCAD, and the BricsCAD is comes, and this is the another software, the applications for computer aided design, application for this the computer aided design, that like the CAD developed by Bricks NB, that like this will be the developed by Bricks NB. This will be the another type of computer aided designs, and by this the Bricks. The company was founded in 2002. This will be founded by this the 2002 by Eric de Kaysar, a long time CAD entrepreneurs also will be here during to this the long time CAD entrepreneur, the 2002 by Eric de Kaysar. And another things is here in 2011 Bricks acquired the intellectual property rights from Leeds. The intellectual property that like the rights from Leeds for constraints the best parametric designs tool permitting the development of applications in the area of direct modeling and assembly designs also will be here during to this the BricsCAD will become, and this will be the leads for this the assembly of the different type of modeling of the assembly of the different type of the designs will be considered according to this the BricsCAD systems will be done. And another things will be here the CATIA will become the Dassault systems. This will be considered the own software and acronym of the computer aided three-dimensional interactive application is a multi-platform software. Multi-platform software is come. This will be suite from the computer aided. Basically this will be the suitable for this the computer aided in the CATIA, and this will be considered according to this the multi dimensions and the 3 dimension, also the interactions during to the multi-platform softwares will be used. And the computer aided manufacturing CAM, CAM is used the computer aided engineering, that means the CAE and also the PLM and 3D, that like your the 3D modelings will be considered, and also the 3 dimensions will be come here, and the developed by the Francis company Dassault Systems is come. This is the Francis company is the considered according to your the Dassault Systems. And another things you can consider according to this the Cobalt. Cobalt is a parametric based computer aided design, that like your the parametric based computer aided design and 3D modeling programs that runs on both Macintosh and Microsoft Windows operating systems will be required during to this the Cobalt parametric based computer aided systems. And another thing is here, the program combines the direct modeling way to create and edit objects, the exemplified by programs such as space claim also will be given. And the height structure, the history driven parametrics way exemplified by programs like the Pro or the Pro engineers will be like here. And the another things, a product of Aslar Bhilam Cobalt is wireframe based and history driven with the associativity and 2D education equation driven parametrics and constraints. It offers surfacing tools, the mold design tools, and the detailings and engineering features. Cobalt includes the library of 149,000 mechanical parts will be included during toward the library of these. And another things here, the design CAD 3D Max IMSI, the Fusion 360 Autodesk. The Autodesk is in an American multinational software corporations that makes the software service for the architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, media, education and entertainment industries. Autodesk is headquartered in San Rafael, California, and the features a gallery of its customers work in the San Francisco buildings also will be here. The company has office worldwide. It is the US location are California, Oregon, Colorado, Texas, the New Hampshire, and the East Canada office are located in Ontario and also Alberta. Another things you have to see in that another few cases, the design CAD 3D Max IMSI, the Fusion 360 Autodesk, Intellix CAD, and the Iron CADs also will be here. The K creators, the Cabetex, and also the MEDUSA, the micro stationary the concept will be here. The Bentley systems will be used, and the modular and the agility and the PTC Creo successor to Pro Engineers, FastCAD, Remote 3D, Rhinoceros 3D also will be used during to these systems. And another is come here, the during to this the freeware and the open source. This is the comes during to the Blender, BricsCAD shapes, BRL CAD, the free CADs, and the library CADs also here, the open SCAD, QCAD, and also Tinkercad successor to Autodesk onto 3D is comes. And the CAD kernels also you can see that during to the ACIS by Spatial C3D toolkits by C3D Labs, and also the open CASCAD open source, and Parasolids by Siemens, and also the Shape Manager by Autodesk here. and this will be considered according toward the CAD architecture, as like as your this the CAD softwares will be known during to these classes. Okay, thank you.